Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy dividend stocks on Interactive Brokers. First, make sure you have an active account with Interactive Brokers. If you do not have one, sign up on their website and complete the necessary verification steps. Once your account is funded and ready, you can begin the process of buying dividend stocks. Start by logging into your Interactive Brokers account. On your main dashboard, locate the trading interface. Use the search function to find dividend stocks that you are interested in purchasing. You can look for stocks with a history of paying dividends or filter your search to focus specifically on dividend yield. Take the time to research the companies and their dividend policies to ensure you are making an informed decision. After selecting the stocks you want to buy, you will need to enter a trade order. Click on the stock and navigate to the order entry section. Here, you can choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or a limit order. Specify the number of shares you want to purchase and review the details before submitting the order. Once everything looks good, confirm the order to complete your purchase. Keep an eye on your investment after purchasing the stocks. Monitor the performance of your dividend stocks and stay updated on any changes to the dividends they offer. You can also reinvest your dividends automatically or use them as income. Regularly check your portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed to maximize your returns. Thank you for watching and happy investing.